talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna.
Good morning, my lovely people. How is everyone doing? The boy woke up sick. He got some stuff on his skin around the place aho bafungira diaper. So we're going to the hospital right now. Man, I hate to see this boy sick. And he's turning 6 months next week. The way I was so excited. Kusatani no mutindi. Nakundi. So we're going to the hospital right now to tangier vlog nabi because the baby is sick, but hopefully it's gonna get better. Because my marraine told me that it's a usual case. But it gets better. We'll see what she says. Yeah, see you guys. Sika Siri. Sika baby. Twavuye mu rugo rero turagenda tujya kwa muganga. Aribona ukuntu kaba gakarana n'agaturage kageze i Kigali bwa mbere, nuko kaba kareba mu muhanda. So tugera kwa muganga baramupima, babanza kumurebera ko nta kibazo kindi yaba afite. Murabibona ukuntu kaba gafightinga muganga, kaba gafite ubwoba. Ariko baramupima basanga nta kindi kibazo afite, batubwira ko duterwa n'amallergie yizana. Yeah, and baduha umuti. Reactive byataje.
Na uyikwego.
Kana. To. Turakira. Up, 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 up. Good morning, my loves. How is everyone doing? This has been a week and it's gonna be another week next week. Right now, iyi vlog niyo kwitegura anniversary yacu. My birthday is next week, Thursday, I guess, 20th. Hanyuma, my son's birthday. No, is it a birthday? Is it an anniversary? I don't know. I think it's a birthday too. He's turning 6 months Tuesday. I call anniversary because it's a big thing for me. He's turning 6 months. He's starting solids officially. I've given him food already, but it was just an apple. It was just an egg. It was just so. Ngiye gutangira njya guhambura imisatsi, guys. Ibi bisuko bimaze 2 weeks, I guess. None ngiye kubikuraho kubera yuko man byashaje byaboze, noneho byanteye ibiheri hano hose. Ikindi noneho cy'ingenzi, mfitemo uduheri hano inyuma. Niba uko ko bisuka nakoshe, ndababara, ndashima buri mwanya mba ndi kwishima. Ibisuko bimaze 2 weeks gusa. Ngiye kubikuraho ngumana umusatsi wanjye. I think I'm gonna be wearing wigs cyangwa se sinzi, nzabimenya igihe kigeze, but for now ngiye kubikuraho. I can't I cannot. Mfitemo uduheri hano hose. A friend told me, I told my friend how it's going, ukuntu mbabara, ukuntu byose ndamubwira ngo kuraho amaheru. So now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove them. Kuko pe umva, I'm going through a lot. Noneho byarashaje, harimo aho umusatsi wagiye usohoka. Barambwiye ngo nshyireho n'agafisidine, agakreme, but still ndababara ndishimye. Man, ni danger. So, tugiye gutangira dukuraho ibi bisuko tunoge mu mutwe. Hanyuma, we have a photo shoot tomorrow. Guys, I'm excited. Man, away. We have a photo shoot tomorrow. Mbese ibintu birashyushye. Anniversaire abiri in 1 week. Ibintu biraka umuriro. Hari ikibwa hano inyuma. Tubereke. Kirancitse ntakiberetse. So, yeah, her anniversary, sorry, now I'm distracted. Her anniversary ebyiri next week. I'm excited. I don't know. I guess we'll just see it together. Guys, enjoy the vlog as much as I'm going to enjoy it. I want you guys to enjoy it as well. Mbere yuko dukomeza muri video, please subscribe, share, like, comment, byose. Ndabakunda cyane. Bisous, thank you for the love you keep showing me. Naye ndabakunda by'umwihariko. So, see you when you see me. Bye. Bebe! Ese uri kurira? Ubaye iki? Ubaye iki seri? Bebe! Uyu nshuti yacu. Hello my loves. Today is the day of the shoot. Today is the day of the shoot. I'm done doing my makeup. Uyu musatsi ubaye iki? Yeah, I'm done doing my makeup. I'm dressed in a white shirt and the black pants, same as my husband, and the baby's outfit you guys are going to see because it's a surprise. Okay, so right now the baby is sleeping. Twagerageje kumusinziriza kugira ngo tugende adafite ibitotsi. So now he's sleeping. Noneho nabyuka turagenda. Abandi twaje kwitegura tumaze kurya. We're about to go, so guys, come along with us. I love you very much. Remember to subscribe. Let's go. Nana! Bebe! Vite seri! Vite seri! Nana! Say hi! Say hi, baby! We're going, guys. The light is not so good, but we look good. Turasa neza nuko akamuri katari kutugirira justice. Let's go. Kira papa ngo ntabwo umubyeyi. twatangiye neza. This is our look. I'm all sweaty. Ibintu ni danje. Good morning, my loves. How is everyone doing? Welcome back to another day. Yeah, I just remembered I didn't show you how my hair is got. Nyuma yuko nshyizemo ngo vitamine. I don't see no big change. Ariko buriya hari ntawamenya. So, my birthday is tomorrow, guys. I'm just so excited. I'm happy. And tukiri kuri anniversaire, I want to unbox with you guys the perfume I got. Ici c'est Paris. There are two perfumes. Harimo iyi ngiyi ya My Way. Iyi ngiyi yo dusanzwe tuyikoresha iyo nshaka kumva cyane ni iyi ngiyi. I haven't tried it and they said it's perfect. My friend said she's sure I'm going to like it. So let's see. Can't wait because she said she was sure ijana ku ijana ko ndibuze kubikunda. Handitseho Givenchy. Gapakeginze neza cyane. Irresistible. So chic, so classic.
Limited edition.
Limited edition. This one smells so good. Noneho uko umwanya ushira nyine niko kagenda gahumura neza cyane kurushaho. I'm in love. Yeah, look on My Way. Katwumve na My Way. Amparetse. Bituma mpita nibagirwa umuhumuro wa My Way. Kandi nari nsanzwe neza. Kanshyire ku kandi kaboko. Uzi ko ihumura neza kuruta ntuze. Oya, irresistible smells better than My Way. Okay. I don't know if I'm the only one. Ariko imihumuro iranconfusing. Imihumuro ituma mera nk'umusazi bikanshanga. This is the one I had. Hasigayemo gake. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, this is the one I had. But kendaga gushira. My Way na irahumura. My Way na irahumura, man. My love for perfumes. Irresistible rwose. I'm falling in love. Vraiment. Can't wait to wear it. Gonna do compliments. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Nahanga video irangiriye. My birthday is tomorrow. I have so many things planned. Nubwo bisa naho ijagaraye kwa ko. It's been a few days without the house help, so I'm doing all the work here at home. But I'm gonna try and do the most for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy. Ndabakunda cyane. Wish me a happy birthday in the comments. Yeah. thank you. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, to share. Ndabakunda cyane. Bisous.